Hello, everybody, and welcome to my channel. My name is Brianna, and I love cruising. How can a cartoon love cruising, you ask? Well, to keep it simple, I was created to. I enjoy creating unforgettable experiences with my two kids and my husband, Steve, and my mission is to help you guys have those same, if not better, experiences on your next cruise. Our channel will teach you more about cruising so you'll know the ins and outs to the latest ships, and we'll give you some money-saving tips along the way. No matter if you're a new cruiser or a seasoned pro, we have useful information for you. Expect to get new content every week that includes intelligence on the latest ships, cruise tips, reviews, great deals, and even ship tours. I bet you haven't seen a cartoon on a cruise before. If nothing else, we are endearing, entertaining, and loads of fun. I mean, who doesn't enjoy cartoons? Make sure to stay tuned and subscribe to our fantastic channel. Hit the bell to be notified because to us, cruising should be part of everyone's life.